So you can now see that there's a little opening here. That little opening is for ventilation. They are just 6 days old, and they don't need that much heat like it used to be when they were 1 or 2 days old. I told you from day 1 till maturity, I'm going to show you the full video of these birds on daily basis. So today they are 6 days old, and they finished their water, just some few ones remaining. And there is something I want to do today. Tomorrow we're giving them vaccine, but I want to know the quantity of water that I will use to vaccinate them. So for that reason, I'm going to act like I'm giving them vaccine. I'm going to measure the quantity of water that I will give to them. Then the water which I will give to them, I will time it and know for because this is the hot period, so I wouldn't want the water to stay for 1 hour. I want it to stay as maximum 45 minutes. So that 45 minutes, I want to time it to know the quantity of water that they will consume in 45 minutes, of which I will use to vaccinate them tomorrow. So right now, I want to remove the drinkers, clean the feeders, and give them feed without water. Another thing, in order to reduce the ammonia content, not that the ammonia is high, but I can perceive the ammonia content. In order to reduce the ammonia content, I'm going to open some sides so that air can actually come in. That is what I'm going to do right away. So from what you can see, they are 6 days old, and by tomorrow they will be 7 days old. And I intentionally starve them of water. The essence of starving them of water the 6th day is that I'm trying to determine the quantity of water that they will drink in less than 1 hour, because that is the measurement I will definitely use for the vaccine. So that is why I starve them. I just place them on feed only, and shortly I'm going to give them water. They are very tasty now. So whatever water that is left, I will take the measurement and subtract it from the total quantity of water which I gave to them. So that will now determine the water that they consumed during the starvation period. So that is why you can see them, they are all running towards the drinkers of water because they are very, very tasty. I have given them plain water at day 6. So the essence of this one, like I said earlier, is to know the quantity of water that they will consume in less than 1 hour. So this is plain water day 6. Tomorrow we'll be giving them vaccination. We have to open both sides for ventilation because the weather is extremely hot. In fact, this is the best brooder house that you can build, and the cheapest brooder house you can construct. It's a DIY brooder house whereby you can easily control it. All you just need to do is just to roll up the tarpaulin or the nylon that you are using and allow air to come in. Once you notice that they are too cold, then you just drop it. It's simple. You don't need big equipment to measure or whatsoever. The reaction of the birds will tell you. As you can see, they are all relaxed.